Hi, everyone, and welcome to Life Fitness. This is a dual credit class, and my name is Phyllis Tuttle, and I am your instructor for the semester. I'm really looking forward to working with you, helping you learn some things about creating your own workouts and improving your fitness levels. And I hope that you enjoy this class because this is one of those classes that you take that really is all about you, and the information that you're going to get you can use to literally improve your own personal fitness levels and set goals and create some very good habits that keep you getting up and getting out and moving your whole life long. So let's get started. I want to share with you some of the things that you're going to be learning in the first unit, and actually even before you get into the first unit, there's some things you need to do. So here we go, and let's get started. To begin with, what you want to do is go to the materials section, click on that, and you will see a Start Here folder in your view. This is my view, so I have some teacher things here that aren't going to be in yours. But here is a Start Here folder. That is literally where you're going to start. So you open it up, and to begin with, remember this is a dual credit course. So this is just a reminder to you that you need to get in and register with CWI between today, August 27th, Monday, and September 28th. That is the only time you are going to be able to register for the course. After September 28th, registration for CWI will end. This is not an automatic thing that happens when you register for the IDLA class. You are obviously registered for IDLA for your high school credit because that's how you have access to the course. But you yourself and your parents must go and review the registration information that you will find in the syllabus and in documents that I'm going to be emailing your parents to know how to access dual enroll, which is where all of your registration for your college credit is going to take place. Then you're going to be navigating through each of these sections, looking at how to navigate your course, the syllabus. This is your course schedule, and it will tell you the dates that units post and open for the first time and dates that they close. Now, even if a unit closes, it will still be available to you just in case you don't have assignments done from that unit. But I do encourage you, if you want to be successful, especially in a dual credit class, please don't skip assignments and stay current because it's going to make the class a lot more fun for you and a lot less stressful. This course is going to run from August 27th through December 21st. And on December 21st, that is the last day of finals week, and all assignments and your final exam must be turned in and taken by that date. In a dual credit course, no extensions are given. So keep that in mind as you go through the course. Then you're going to go through here and you're going to have to make a submission about your syllabus. You'll see what that's about. And just complete each one of these and be sure to take that knowledge inventory test. This test does not count against you in any way. It is simply to show what you know about the course and about the content that's going to be contained in the course before you start. Then, at the very end of the course, you're going to take what is called Knowledge Inventory 2. And that's the great part because that's when you get to see what you've learned in the class. Now, once you've done this, you're going to go back to Materials, and then that's where you get started in Unit 1. In Unit 1, you'll see a welcome, and you'll have to go in there and read through that and the introduction. And then this is where you're really going to get started in the class. One of the very first assignments that you have is to go into the discussion board and introduce yourself. This is where we get to know one another at the beginning of a class, and it's very important. And I want to get to know each and every one of you. And I want you to know a little bit about me. So go in there, make your first post, and be sure in every discussion board, including this one, you reply to at least 2 of your classmates. That is the only way that you get full 20-point credit for your discussion boards. You post your first post and then reply to 2 classmates. And that's going to be consistent through the whole course. Go in and read some things about your fitness log and how you're going to be graded in filling that out. This is one of the most important aspects of the course for you. You're going to be logging the things that you do, and it's how you get credit for that. Each time you turn in your fitness log at the end of a unit, you'll get 40 points, up to 40 points, depending on if you have followed the requirements that you'll see in this orientation and in the rubric. And then down here, mentor information. This needs to be somebody who is an adult and not your sister or excuse me, not your brother or sister or friend, but it really needs to be like a parent, a teacher, or somebody like that. Now in this, where it does say fitness log, this is where at the end of the unit, you're going to go in and submit your fitness log. You should get in here, let's go in and look. In here, you're going to see quite a bit of information about the fitness log. And then as you go, we'll go back to materials to unit 1. And what you're going to want to do though is after you read this, you're going to want to go down here, read the rubric, but then actually click on this where it says fitness log template, and it will actually give you the template that you are going to be filling out every single time in this class. I'm going to open it up for you so you can see it and get an idea of what it looks like. And this is your fitness log. And you'll notice here that you have spaces to log each of your workouts. In the first unit, you only need 3 workouts. However, in every single unit after this one, in units 2 through 8, you will be required to log 6 workouts. That is 3 workouts a week. Each unit is 2 weeks long. And if you want to get full credit, then you really need to be sure that you are working out 6 times in a unit. And here's an example of the detail that is asked for in a fitness log. We want it to be as detailed as you can. If you're actually doing specific exercises, then be sure that you tell us the reps and the sets that you do. If you're doing weights, then tell us the weight that you're lifting and the specific part of the body that you're working on, like your legs, like you might do a bench press, etc. For every workout, you need to, at least at one time during that workout, take your heart rate, and there's going to be a lesson and an assignment that shares with you how to do that. You log your heart rate, and then you evaluate your workout for how much of your workout was spent on cardiovascular, on strength training, on flexibility, and these numbers will probably not be the same each time. And each of your workouts is supposed to be 60 minutes, so be sure that you're adhering to that time frame. And then just calculate what you've done. If you have done yoga, then you're going to have more minutes of your workout spent in flexibility than you would in strength training or cardiovascular, for example. So that's your workout, and it gives you kind of a good understanding of what you need to be doing there. I'll get out of that, and we'll go back to the course. Okay, so these are kinds of things that you're going to be doing. This is really an introductory unit. It is going to be sharing with you the things like the workout log, the fitness log, and those kinds of things that you are going to want to do. And then finally, at the end, you're going to actually take a personal fitness assessment. Now, this assessment is very simple. You'll open it up here in your pretest, and like the fitness log, then you'll be getting a specific template to use to log your responses and your data from what you've done. Let me share it with you here. Okay, so here you see it. You need to do a 12-minute run and see how far you can go in 12 minutes. It isn't how fast you can go. It isn't, uh, how uphill or downhill or intense or anything. It is just simply how far can you run in 12 minutes. I would suggest that you do this at a track or that you find a place where you literally can track in yards how far you've gone. Now, a track, when you go once around a track, it's 440 yards. That's the easiest thing. You'll be taking your heart rate. You'll be doing as many push-ups as you can until you can't do any more. So that's going to be totally individualized for each one of you. And then you're going to take your BMI, and there are instructions on how to do each one of these things. So this is important, and then go down and summarize the things that you found out from this fitness assessment. This is something you're going to do 2 more times throughout the course, and it's going to help you see your progress in increasing your fitness levels. So that's about it for Unit 1. I hope that you are getting off to a good start in class as you listen to this. And I would like you to email or call me anytime that you have questions or concerns about the course. The more you communicate with me, the better I can help you. So have a great time in this course. Be sure that you are asking questions when you need it, asking for help when you need it. And I'm here for you and extremely happy to help you and looking forward to working with you to get both your college credit and your high school credit. Thanks so much.